Oh yeah. What up, gang? What up, YouTube? It's your boy Tunchi, and I'm back at y'all again with another freaking video, gang. Damn. Oh, okay. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Click that notification bell and click all. Make sure y'all join the family, y'all. We trying to get a quick wash real quick. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get a quick wash, y'all. See, I got the beamer outside, gang.
We gotta wait on James.
Yeah, I know. I heard it. That's why I'm like, damn.
I think I knocked it over.
Oh, the bucket. Swerve over here. Tearing stuff up, man. Knocking over buckets and shit. Knocking over buckets, man. Yeah.
Hey, PSA. If y'all didn't know, we will be in that all weekend. We will be there Friday.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't gonna tell y'all the end date, but we will be there Friday. If y'all want to link up with us, Friday is the best time to link up with us because Saturday gonna be so hectic.
It's gonna be so much going on Saturday.
If y'all want to link up with us Friday, DM me or Tunchi, and like I said, we could probably do some one-on-one stuff or some stuff at the block party. It's a block party Friday, so we can do something more
oh yeah,
interactive.
they do got a block party.
More interactive than Saturday because Saturday gonna be so much people. So, like I said, if y'all want to hit us up, if y'all want to link up with us to do a video, hit us up.
They do got a block party going on.
Tunchi, you know what I'm saying? We be more than happy, you know what I'm saying? We rock with Nap.
Oh yeah, us, so. Yeah. Y'all know I rock with Nap heavy.
Y'all rock with Nap heavy, so we'll definitely make something happen. So let us know.
Yeah.
Let us know.
Y'all know that's the B-Day week, so y'all know I'm gonna be out there kicking it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see, man, I get the Will Squad. What up, Jay? What's going on? Chilling, man. Chilling. Yeah, you swear got that shit on, you know.
It's nothing, bro. It's nothing. It's like a little jacket.
So it's a little jacket. It's a little something.
Like Tunchi is the rockstar Bennett. Hey, y'all wondering why y'all rockstar clothes sold out? It's because Tunchi is buying all of it.
Y'all hear this, man? What's wrong with him?
Rockstar shirts.
Nah, that's you, my boy.
I wear Rockstar, bro. I like Rockstar. Rockstar just get baggy.
They do?
Yeah, Rockstar.
No, I got this hoodie. I should have got it a little smaller. I think
the pants, ain't it?
Nah.
Them Rockstar pants?
Oh,
I was gonna say.
I got these from I forgot who I got.
That's how Rockstar pants look on me. And I like my pants
like the skinny
I'm skinny,
jeans.
so I can't wear no baggy pants or
leggings.
I don't know. I just can't. You know what I'm saying? I like my, you know what I'm saying? People got the problem with skinnies. I wear what I wear.
Nah, ain't nothing wrong with it though.
I don't care what nobody say about how I dress or what I put on. I like it. I'm not there for nothing to do to judge. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all know everybody got their...
I'm not just for no female either, but...
Everybody got their own...
I'd rather hear it from a female than a dude.
Everybody got their little style, you know. Sometimes y'all see me looking like this. Sometimes y'all see
like
me...
you finna cut somebody's grass.
Nah,
Marty,
boy.
you look like...
You look like a pepper, boy. a red pepper.
What's his name? What's his name? Roscoe Jenkins. Marty looks like Roscoe Jenkins. Yeah, man. This is personal preference, y'all.
Yeah, that's all. That's all it is.
We dress similar, but we are just different.
Yeah. Y'all see it? Look, summertime finna be over with a little bit, so y'all know it is kind of chilly out here. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, wait until the weekend to get chilly though, bro. Like it's gonna get warm. It's gonna warm back up on Monday.
Yeah, I heard next week it's supposed to be nice. It'll be nice
Tomorrow
next
gonna
week.
be 74. Today is the chilliest day. I like hoodies. I like wearing hoodies and stuff though.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I like when it's like this. When you can wear like a long sleeve.
Like 80. I hope that's about like 80.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I hope not. Like 75, 76, 77.
No, because at night it's gonna get cold.
Well, I was saying at nighttime. I hope it's like that. But the real, so I can have the top down at nighttime.
Cuddle up with
Yeah. This guy.
What you finna do? Y'all. Do not let you off the camera. He's a hawk.
Man, this guy's fire.
That camera's out too many. Y'all talk about me. I don't even do nothing behind the camera.
Man, that's you.
The same person I am on camera, that's the same person I am off camera. I don't know. Wherever they say I am off camera, hey, y'all ain't see it, so y'all don't know.
Man, this guy's fire. He's super fire, man.
What I do?
Super fire. What you gonna be doing out there? Huh?
I'm just be there for car show. I'm not gonna go to the car show to get I'm gonna go to sleep. Go to sleep.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't just going out there for the car show. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? I'm going out there to have a good time.
I'm innocent, y'all. I'm not doing nothing.
I'm going out there to have a good time, so you can take it how you want it.
I'm a celibate male. I'm celibate, guys.
You celibate?
Yeah.
This guy talking about he's celibate. Yeah, what's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? That's crazy. Y'all hear him joking though, but nah, ain't nothing wrong with it though. But nah, we gonna have a good time. Y'all know we just be trolling.
I ain't got none since 2021.
You said who? Yeah, Swerve definitely got to redeem himself.
I'm playing. No, I'm playing. No, you know what happened last nap. You know what happened last year. We ain't gonna talk about that. Hey, what happened? Hey, no, y'all. Let me tell you what happened last year in that with Tunchi. Tunchi fumbled the whole. Just know I was good. Oh, snap the camera. I was good, but Tunchi fumbled it. All jokes aside, Tunchi fumbled. And I'm the only one in the house. I'm the only one in the house that really, like, you know, if you put two and two together, you know what I'm talking about. I was the only one that.
I ain't fumbling nothing.
I was the only one that scored a touchdown.
I'm selling it. I ain't on nothing. I'm not on nothing, guys.
You gonna lie? You gonna lie to these people?
I'm selling it.
All right, if you sell it, I'm selling it too. Anyways, here, man.
I'm selling it, man. Don't listen to Swerve. He got to redeem himself.
Redeem myself from what? Last year?
His name is S.
Oh, don't tell me about that. No, that was crazy. No, that was you.
Alright, y'all. Big shout out to my boy Jay over here at Master of the Craft. Y'all know, man, it's my other homeboy that be washing the cars, man. You know what I'm saying? Get me right. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see Swerve got the turtle pack over there. The slow mobile. The slow mobile. Y'all know I just be talking. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely appreciate you too, bro.
Oh yeah, you already know.
Man, definitely.
We like family.
Yeah. Definitely appreciate you. Got it. A quick little wash. Yeah. Got me back right, gang. Yes, sir.
Ketchup and relish.
Ah, he said ketchup and relish.
You feel me? Oh, that's Cosmo one. He said, yeah, Cosmo one. What else we got?
It's got the Skittle.
Sour apple.
Yeah. Got the Skittle pack outside. Yes, sir. I ain't had to wash in a little minute after this rainstorm. I just been wiping the wheels. I'm like, man.
Just wipe the wheels?
Yeah, bro. Been on some lazy stuff, bro. Got it back right, though. Yeah. Finna head to this car show, gang. Woo. Yeah.
Fire.
Super fire.
You fired.
Nah, you super fire. You gotta redeem yourself, my boy.
Nah, you gotta redeem yourself.
Man, this guy's fired, gang.
He was chasing it a couple minutes ago. I was gonna block him. I didn't want to get.
Man, he was fired. You see, y'all see him trolling now. He trolling now. Yeah, he got you right though. Got you right. All right, y'all. We just pulled up at the freaking car show. Swerve is definitely fired, gang. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. We don't know which way we gonna start. Let me see. Let's see what's going on. Whew. We'll start over here. Show y'all what's going on over here. This bad boy nasty. Y'all know, man. We ain't going to no car shows for no trophies, gang. We going for the culture. Ooh, that bad boy look good back there. Damn. They got this mug is clean.
I promise you it's been wet like I've been It's been wet. It's been wet. All the wrists. I got 2 rings. All the wrists. All the wrists.
This bad boy clean, boy.
All the way. All the way.
Y'all know I always love them Impalas. Chevy Impalas. Always love these cars, gang. Always. This mug nasty. Ooh-wee. Big shout out to Mr. 75 Caprice, man, letting us in the VIP section. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. He was at
I like this too.
Oh, big.
This mug nasty. Oh, PC painted this. Big shout out to PC, man. My bad, too, gang. I done missed your show. Man, I was super tired from that show before, the day before. Ooh. You got that setup back there. Yeah. That's more nice. This bad boy nice, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this more nice. Yeah, I like that. Like this too.
I was at the show and I didn't know it was you.
This more nasty. This bad. Oh, that Audi nasty. Yeah. No, I'm saying that Audi over there. Oh, check this out. It's a Trans Am.
Behind you. Yeah, Batman behind you too. Batman behind you.
Ah.
You see him?
No.
You see him?
Oh, I see him. Get your man, get your mans. Swervo, get your mans. Get your mans, Swervo. Bro, get your mans, bro. Damn, this smell nasty. Like that. We gonna go over there in a minute, gang. Might be a part 2 for the video. Yeah. Fellas, more clean. I like this right here too. Two though, man, you can't go wrong with the Landau. So nasty.
Whatever the price is, yeah. And I'm dead.
Got the Impalas. This one nice.
Oh damn!
Yeah. Alright, gang. Gonna get these. Oh yeah, they snap. Pilot joints. Perfect. Perfect. Hey y'all, I want y'all to see this truck. This mug nasty. Look at Off-Road Al. What's up, man?
How's everything?
What's going on? Chilling, man. Chilling.
Pretty cold? You got a sweatshirt?
Yeah, I know. It is, man.
This is perfect weather.
You ready for that Vegas trip?
There you go. I already have my SEMA badges already.
How you do? Okay. Y'all, look at this bad boy. This mug nasty.
Yeah, I was like, let's call my brother-in-law, man. Tell him about the car.
This mug nasty.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Y'all know I always love these hot top vans. Ooh. You like these vans?
I know, right?
I love these hot top vans. That boy is nasty. This mug nasty. What's going on, bro? This bad boy nasty. Yeah. That jump in. Oh, this the one with the what's the name on the top? Y'all from out west? Y'all be out west?
Yeah, Humble Park.
Yeah, this one. Damn. Oh yeah, I know y'all be having fun in this bad boy. Man, what? Yeah. See that roof up in there? Yeah, look in there. Look in there. Yeah. Y'all see what it is. Ooh. Oh, we got the party bus. Got the party bus. Huh? Oh, this bad boy nice. And on 40, man, stop playing with us. Ooh. What up, what up? What's going on, my boy? What's the word? What's the word? This, ooh, I like this. This one. This one. I forgot what them ducks mean. When they got them ducks. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. See how you got the tablet in there? Nasty.
Got the whole thing right there.
Yeah, that one nasty. Yeah. Check you out. Nasty. Alright, gang. Like them lights in there too. Alright, gang. So big shout out to that car show, gang. We got us a trophy. Hold on. Got us a trophy, gang. Midwest Mayhem car show, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely appreciate y'all, gang. You know what I'm saying? It was a definitely was a dope show, man. Definitely was a dope show. Big shout out to all the subscribers that saw me in the building. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to y'all, gang. You know what I'm saying? Right now, y'all know we coming basically at the end of this video, man. I want to let y'all know, man, I appreciate y'all, man. I'm gonna say that a million times, gang. You know what I'm saying? Man, it's been a crazy journey, gang. Crazy journey, man. But man, I love it, man. Love it. Yeah, man, like I said, we finna end up ending this video, gang. So y'all already know, man, the grind definitely don't stop. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. But Alright, y'all, man. Checking out with another video. Peace.